It's Crypto Law guys. In today's video, PEHEM. So sit back, relax, and enjoy.
And before we start, guys, I just want to let you know that I'm not your financial advisor and that you should make your own decisions before investing into a project. Breaking news, PEHEM just raised $5 million and the entire crypto world is watching. The price has already 10 times since stage 1 and now we're seeing major CEX and DEX listing rumors spreading like wildfire. With an official listing announcement coming on July 15, you're looking at one of the most explosive pre-sales of 2025. Let's break down the hype. PEHEM has now become one of the fastest growing pre-sales in the market, all community backed with no venture capital. What's fueling the momentum? Simple exchange rumors, and the evidence is all over Twitter. In this post, they write the exchanges are next. That's a direct tease for what's coming, possibly Uniswap, Bitmart, even HTX. Here they highlight growing momentum and insane community support. This shows the project isn't just gaining traction, it's going viral organically. And this earlier post hints at tier 1 listings. When projects drop language like this, they know something big is cooking. This article on Web3 Wire breaks down the rise of PEHEM, showing how they hit 5 million without VC help and how exchange speculation has added fuel to the fire. And here's where things get really interesting. This piece confirms the HTX listing rumor and explains how that could trigger a massive wave of new buyers. Now let's talk numbers and why this presale is worth your attention. 5 million plus raised, 100% community funded, no VC, no dump risk. It's still early, even after 10 times from stage 1, the price is only a fraction of projected listing value. Listing date, official announcement on July 15. Exchanges rumored, Uniswap, Bitmart, and HTX. Bonus, 45% extra tokens for buyers before July 15. And let's check the key features of Pepe Heimer. AI-powered deal optimization. PEHEM is the first Pepe meme coin with a built-in AI system that helps you automatically earn more just by holding and using the platform. HeimerFi. This tool analyzes the market in real time, reallocates your portfolio, and helps you maximize profits with no manual effort. Gem Fission. Looking for the next 100 times gem? Gem Fission does the digging for you, identifying undervalued hidden gems across the chain. Layer 2 blockchain. Gas fees? Solved. PEHEM runs on custom L2 infrastructure to keep your transactions fast and cheap. My take? This is not a meme coin that lives and dies on hype. This is a full DeFi toolkit disguised in a meme coin skin, and I'm here for it. 110. Here is exactly how to buy PEHEM before listing go live. Head to pepeheimer.io, connect your wallet. In my case, it's going to be MetaMask, or you can use Wallet Connect. Select your payment method, Ethereum, USDT, or BNB. Enter the amount you want to invest, for example 0.0078. Click confirm, and you'll claim your tokens when presale ends. And here is something huge. Staking goes live this week and early reports show it will offer up to 1,945% APY. My take? You're not just buying a token here, you're entering a full yield ecosystem with real passive income potential. Want more proof this is legit? Look at the coverage. PEHEM is everywhere in financial world. Yahoo breaks it all down from AI innovation to staking mechanics. B calls out the potential of AI to reshape yield farming, and PEHEM is at the center. Benzinga focuses on the long-term roadmap and the ecosystem structure. Morningstar emphasizes PEHEM's smart contract integrations and growth potential. This is big. Binance themselves featured a project on Square, a very bullish sign. MarketWatch labels it as a project to watch in 2025. This article shows PEHEM isn't just making noise in crypto, even traditional finance platforms are paying attention. Security-wise, PEHEM is fully audited by Solid Proof, one of the top names in blockchain security. You can check it by clicking to this link here. Check this out, the Telegram group is buzzing 24/7. Plus, top influencers on YouTube and X are already talking about PEHEM. And here is why this project matters and why you should take actions now. 5 million plus raised organically and still growing. Real AI tools that help you make better trades. Fully audited, media covered, and community backed. Up to 1945% APY in staking rewards. Stage 1 buyers already made 10 times returns. Share with friends and earn 10% referral commissions. This isn't just another hype train, this is a product-backed meme token, and if listings go live as expected, we might be watching the next Pepe level breakout. One last reminder, beware of scams, only follow the official links in the description below. Don't click random airdrops or fake telegrams, protect your crypto. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you find this video informative and entertaining. Don't forget to share this video, subscribe to this channel, like it, and put notifications on. Join this amazing project called PEHEM and check all of these information just for yourself. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.